Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to go over organising your clips in Adobe Premiere Pro with bins, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name is Jack.F, I'm a freelance videographer, photographer and video editor. There we go, I got it at that time. So, today, bins. Say you're doing a short film, or you're doing a music video, or you're doing a wedding, or whatever you're doing, and you've got a ton of clips. And you need to know how to organise them, sort them out, so figure out which clips are good, which clips are bad. So today I'm going to show you how to organise them into folders, but Premiere Pro calls them bins. So I'll jump straight into it and I'll show you how to do it. So once we're inside Premiere Pro, I've got a project going right now, it's my short film. So what we want to do is go over to the import window, and as you can see down here we've got this little folder, it's create new bin. So we're going to click create new bin, and we're just going to call this back street. Okay, and then go down, open it, and then once you're in there, what you want to do, open up your files, hit Control A, select them all, and literally just drag them in. And it's as simple as that. Let Premiere Pro import them all, and then do that for every single scene that you've got. Or I don't know how you're going to organise your folders, but that's literally all you do. So as you can see, I've got a date scene, I've got a back street, darkroom scenes, forest, and an opening. They're all of my scenes, and I've got in each of these, I've got all of my clips for the corresponding scenes, and I've got that in Premiere Pro. But a little quick tip, if you don't want to create a new bin and have the hassle of dragging them in, if you've already sorted it out, if you've already organised your folders and your files, you can literally just drag them all and then import them like that, and Premiere Pro will create these little folders will convert into bins in Premiere Pro, and then you've got all of your files sorted and you can drag them on and edit them and yada yada yada. So that's just a little quick video guide on how to organise your files. A little way I like to do it as well is I like to organise into separate. So I've got my raw clips, my main raw clips, and then that I'll have subfolders. So my darkroom scenes, my opening, my back street. But then I've also got my sound effects, all my sound effects, and then I've got my background music that I'm going to use, if I'm going to use any. I'll have my visual effects, and then stuff like that, you know, just different folders so you can organise this so you know where it is, instead of just going in, dragging all your clips and dragging it into the import window without any bins, without any organisation, and it's just going to be a pain in the ass to try to figure out and go through your clips. So anyway guys, that's just a quick little video on the channel today, how to organise your clips. I've been struggling with this for the longest time, and until I started getting organised I was just trying to pull my hair out looking for a certain clip. Anyway, if you like what you see here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videography tips and video editing videos. And make sure to check up there for basics of Adobe Premiere Pro. If you're like, I don't know what on earth these things I know, I don't know what colouring is, graphics, libraries, effects, I don't even know what this thing's called down here, go check out that video and I'll show you all the basic tools that you need to import, edit and export your first video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Apart from that guys, have a good one and I'll see you on the next video.